Hello, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and also 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today I'll be unboxing and taking a look at the Moshi 4-foot and 9.8 inch Integra USB-C charge sync cable lightning connector. So the new connectors for fast charging the iPhones and other devices is now with USB Type-C. So Moshi has made two sets of cables. This is a shorter 9.8 inch cable, obviously for when you use a battery and you just need a short loop for charging. This one is 4 feet. I don't know if they have longer, but they might even have a 6 feet. So do check their website for that. But what we like about this is the Integra core. So once you move it, it's bent and it'll stay that bent until you move it again. So we like that. This is metal here as well. There's some stress relief for the cording, and you've got some braiding as well in the cord. Now they say this is rated for more than 10,000 bends at 180 degrees. So, you know, most people use their phone and then crank it real hard like that, and they use it like that all day long. So it should be able to handle it for quite a long time. This is for your lightning charging, and as I said earlier, this will fast charge your device if you have a fast charging wall socket for your iPhone. Late model, of course, 8 and above. So you'll need that type of phone and a faster charger to use this, but this is the future of the iPhone cables right here, the USB Type-C with the lightning. Now we're not sure when Apple's going to change this side, but at least this part has been updated for the newer batteries and such. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.